Hi, I'm Kai from INFENTO, and today I'll be showing you how to use an axial clamp. An axial clamp lets you mount an axle onto a profile or onto another connection block. And I'll show you how to use it. Start by putting a profile nut into the profile. Next, we can take two positioning blocks and put them into the axial clamp. Take an M8 by 20 bolt, like so, and secure it onto the profile. Here's a tip for you. To properly secure the axial clamp, use the Allen key handle, like so, to get that extra turn to nicely secure the bolt. Now we can take the axle and an M8 by 20 bolt and a large washer. Use the washer on the bolt and screw the bolt into the axle. And secure it. When that's done, we can place it into the axial clamp and make sure it's all the way through. To secure the axle, take two M6 by 25 bolts and two M6 lock nuts and secure it in place. Use the Allen key for this, but make sure to leave a small space between the two sides. Like so. And it's simple as that. That's how you use the axial clamp. Have fun building!